In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Grammarly document via a link in the Grammarly editor on your desktop or web browser. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially when you need to collaborate with others on your writing. Now, let's dive right in and walk through each step to make sure you get the hang of it. First things first, you'll need to open your document in the Grammarly editor. If you haven't logged in yet, go to Grammarly's website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll have the option to create a new document or upload an existing file. For our purposes, choose the document you wish to share. Once you're in the document view, take a look at the body of your text. As you move your cursor over any part of the document, you'll notice an ellipsis, which looks like 3 dots, appearing on the left side of each paragraph. These ellipses are your gateway to additional options. It's a subtle but powerful feature that helps maintain a clean workspace while offering easy access to these tools. When you spot the ellipsis next to the paragraph you want, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options. The key choice we're interested in today is the Copy Link selection. When you click on Copy Link, it does exactly what it says on the tin. It copies a shareable link of your document to your computer's clipboard. This is a quick, intuitive move, and you'll find that it saves you a great deal of time and effort if you're in a hurry or need to share your document with someone immediately. With the link successfully copied, you're essentially ready to share it across platforms. You can paste and send this link as a message on platforms like Facebook, Messenger, or send it via email through Outlook or Gmail. It's quite flexible and ensures your recipient can access your document directly using that link. One thing to keep in mind is to make sure your document's privacy settings are correctly set, depending on whether you want people to just view or be able to edit the document. So, there you have it. Sharing a document on Grammarly is really just a series of simple steps designed to enhance your workflow and make collaboration smoother. Whether you're working on a group project, sharing an article for review, or seeking feedback on an essay, this method is efficient and straightforward. With just a few clicks, you've effectively made your document accessible to your intended audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy writing!